welcome here. I'm Alex and welcome here in Geneva aboard of this beauty, fantastic and amazing car that I'm driving for the very first time, the Lexus LC500H. Also very first time that I'm driving a hybrid, no, second time driving a hybrid, because the last one was the other Lexus. And yeah, wow, I'm very surprised by this super sport of Lexus. These cars, we're never seeing them on the road, so it's also a very first time and a pleasure that we're going to discover it for the very first time as well. So what do we have here? There are two categories of this Lexus. We have the Lexus LC500H, and we also have a regular Lexus LC500 that is absolutely different comparing to this version that we're driving. So in few moments I'm going to put on the Sport Plus mode, because we do have the Comfort, we do have the Sport, and we do have the Sport Plus as well. So starting, we're also going to talk, because that's also a piece of art. This car is really lit, comparing all the design and the exterior and the interior. So that really not shocked me, but really surprised me about this whole inside and outside design and all around the car. So the car that I'm driving right now, it's a 3.5 liter V6. Yeah, 3.5 liter V6, incredible engine and hybrid. So the electric and the engine are doing 359 horsepower. So let's switch with the Sport Plus that we do have right here, and we're gonna push the car from 0 to 100 in only 5 seconds, as you can hear. So the noise is here, and it's really incredible noise. So we can hear, and if we open the window, okay, it's the same. Yeah, so electric and engine, 359 horsepower. But if we take the version of the regular LC500, it's a 5 liter V8, and it's 477 horsepower. So there are two categories, and that are so much different comparing to this LC hybrid. So you have a massive engine, and near to the engine you have these batteries plugged that are supplying on the same time electrically the car when you're driving. For example, if your speed is around 20, 30, even 40 kilometers per hour, you do have a button, EV mode. That means that you can drive only with the electric engine of the car. So you're not every time have to use the 3 liter V6, and you of course can only use for the very low speed only the electric power to the car that is providing for the rear wheel version, the real wheels of the car. We have as well the 20 inches rims that are also in different shapes and shades as well. So we have gray, we have dark gray, and you have like this kind of, this design is doing like a kind of star of the wheels. Also Lexus calipers in black, and the car is also all gray at the outside. That the rims are absolutely matching the whole spec of the exterior car. So So that's great. The front of the engine is very long. The car itself is very long, almost 5 meters long. So that's really a lot. I think that it's 4.77 meters in global, and it's very wide, almost 2 meters long. I think that it's 1.92 meters wide, so almost 2 meters wide. But this car is very luxurious itself. All the design, it takes like it feels individually to this car. But taking the whole exterior spec of the car, like for example, now I'm driving only at the electric version, and I'm 54 kilometers per hour, and absolutely not using the 3-liter V6 engine, and we have the radars all over, so we have to just slow it down. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to you about the all exterior spec. As you can see, the car is gray, dark gray outside, and when we can recognize the car, it's very designed, very futuristic, more concept, because the car has been presented at the end of the year 2017, at the end of the last year, and it's very futuristic. For example, the grille, some noise engines. Yeah, the car is very futuristic. For example, if you take the massive grille that is like kind of that shape, the massive grille with the LED lights, very designed, that you can spot from a long distance, and they're also the onliest ones that has that design comparing to the other coupes. The shades, the whole shape of the car, with the tinted windows on the back, and the rear is absolutely so futuristic. It's like it has a lot of curves, and the rear LED lights fully in red, that you can spot like there's like a 3D design to the rear of the car, and you have all this exhaust very hidden as well to the rear of that car. So I really appreciated that. And if we take the inside cabin of the car, I'm massively surprised how many details they're like getting inside of the car. You have this middle console, this armrest, everything here, and in that fully interior color you have a panoramic sunroof, so you have an open roof getting more light into the car. But it's absolutely fantastic. On the same time, you have Alcantara, you have a lot of design touches, like Alcantara, even these 2 buttons of each side of when you're driving, that's for the speed, that's for the snow and off-roading mode. You have even the door handles, that it's only a piece of aluminium, and that is absolutely incredible, matching into the car. You have like waves just right here on the door sides, what is also very nice. You have also LED inside of the car, so you have LEDs inside. There's absolutely a very nice work with the whole stitching of the car, in the car, and all this Alcantara that is surrounding the car, and this nice leather fully in beige brown surrounding the full car. You have like 2 seats on the rear of the car, not too big, but that you can transport 2 more additional people, so it's a GT Plus, so you have more space inside. We have a small boot at the rear that you can't full a lot of things, but only like your shopping bags or very small traveling bags. And all the dashboard here with the screen, this middle screen when you're driving, the other you have a clock, and you have like kind of personalized dashboard, and it's covered by the leather with a stitching also just here. Going back to the Sport Plus, not Sport Plus, but only the Sport. Wow, the noise is really incredible. So yeah, the test drive is already over aboard this LC500H. Thank you very much for Lexus Geneva making this test drive possible. I will leave with this 3.5 liter V6 noise. And yeah, if you really appreciated this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for plenty more videos to come. And yeah, hope that you really appreciate everything what I'm doing. So don't forget also to maybe comment below what you think about this everything. And yeah, I will leave you with this cool hybrid car from Japan. And yeah, see you very soon and have a very nice day. Bye.